So we've set up a small track here in our front yard. Our 6-year-old daughter is currently running this truck, which explains why it's in a pile of leaves right now. We're just kind of relaxing today.
That's why that's there.
To keep her from going over the hill, we've put a couple of pipes up there. This is that little lacrosse buggy that we decided to try and get off Banggood just to kind of see how it turned out. We're probably going to eventually get one of these in a bigger scale. These come in what, a 10th scale and a 16th scale, or is it a 12th?
That's a 12th scale, and they come in a 10th scale.
So that one's a 12th scale, and they come in a 10th scale as well. We're wanting to get one of those for us to play around with. I mean, hey, she still cleared it, so that counts, right?
She's a basher, what can I say? I think I got the power turned off.
Oh, she missed the ramp. Try again. I think it's over the hill. I'm pretty sure that's like...
Oh yeah, that was good. And she's driving in grass too.
She is driving in grass.
These are desert. We put a hill over here.
Like I said, they're great for parents and exercise.
All right, I'm about to get this next lap though off of it. Maybe on a new battery. Well, the first you don't succeed, back up and nail it.
I mean, that's one way to get through any obstacle you put in front of her.
All right, I want to take it for a lap. Quick lap. Maybe a bash off that tree. What?
That's the only negative that I can really see about these trucks, is the battery life on them just is not that great. You get probably about 10 to 15 minutes worth of battery time, and that's, honestly, that's about it. Okay.
chance to get out the Blackout XTE. This is what it looks like now. You may notice the rims. They are the stock rims. New body is all. Probably gonna bash it out. Who knows? Not sure what I'm gonna do. Wait. Well, see if I can do it. Eat your heart out.
We had to take a small break to change out the shock. The second slip from the tree here earlier destroyed it.
I'm ready to go now, though.
All right, let me on the other side. Did you bust another one? Or the same one again?
I lost a spring somewhere to a shock.
We just fixed this too.
Just pulled out of the ball.
Oh.
My spring.
Well, guys, we're gonna cut it right here and look for a spring to a shock. We'll bring you guys back on and see if we find it or.
Got the T-Maxx 4S 50C discharge. My truck just broke pulled a shock apart, lost a spring. The cross buggy just hanging out.
Not any brakes on this, you know.
Oh, hold on, you might end up in the road. Oh, you're on your top.
Dang.
On the way back, maybe. We know it'll wheelie at 20, so chill. I don't want to get hit by this thing.
Again?
Again, yeah. Don't.
This is why I don't let him drive my
Are
vehicle.
you still recording? Oh my god. Oops.
I'm pretty sure that's the second minion today that we've busted out.
That gets me every time, along with the culvert.
Yeah, this is the one that just loves his and Chris's trucks. We're gonna have to get my grandpa to cut that. And truck way over here.
Okay. So we got back inside, and after that big jump, actually has a big impact. Lay that down. We gnawed up the spur pretty nicely. Mainly right there. That, removed the motor. After that big impact, it knocked so hard the wires down in between the motor, the spur, and the pinion. See, I'm going to have to heat shrink wrap it. Make sure all the connections are still nice and stable. Then get that new spur gear in, which just got on order. Mount her back up, because this thing was ripping. Thanks for watching.